my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spectacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's a world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene. Trick or treat till the next gonna die right. Disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along. We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need.
Time of year, isn't it?
And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood.
Mount Lucas of Rugelcom, winds of the Caspian Sea. Larynxus, Lycidas, Max Laryngitis, La Voce to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Unfortunate soul. dream of starting the fun without me.
You're dead right.
Well then, let me treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky. You call that magic? Move on, boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. Hey! Boogie
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the dead!
materialize and begin to vocalize. Pretty ghosts come out to socialize. Don't close your eyes, don't try to hide. We're silly spook waiting by your side. In a tough disguise, they pretend to terrorize. Pretty ghosts come out to socialize. Pretty ghosts come out and socialize. Everybody
That was crazy.
Just want to thank you for hanging around while we scared up a little Halloween fun. We do hope you will drop in again for another spectacular celebration.